The undercover investigation has been carried out in good faith and in public interest. The organization and the journalist conducting the investigation are in no way associated or aligned with or against any person, political party, organization, entity, institution, religion, or religious group named in the video or otherwise. Any reference, direct or indirect, made either to any person, political party, organization, entity, institution, religion, or religious group, or to any association, proximity, enmity, rivalry, hatred for, towards, between any person, political party, organization, entity, institution, religion, or religious group is purely for the purpose of the investigation. It should not be insinuated from the contents of the investigation that the organization or the journalist conducting the investigation has done so either to target or at the behest of any person, political party, organization, entity, institution, religion, or religious group. References in the video made by the persons other than the journalist conducting the investigation to any person, political party, organization, entity, institution, religion, or religious group are the sole prerogative and personal opinion of the respective persons. The organization and the journalist conducting the investigation do not intend to outrage, insult, wound, or hurt any religion or the religious sentiments, beliefs, or feelings of any persons or class or community while conducting the investigation. Viewers are advised that the videos have been transcribed to the best of our ability. Transcribing is a painstaking process and error-prone work. In case of any error, the video along with the audio should be referred to. Errors, if any, in transcribing are purely bona fide and unintentional. It should be remembered that subtitles are only an aid to the viewing process. Any misrepresentation or deviation of the editorial from the original documentary in Hindi as published on the official website of Cobra Post, or error due to translation into vernacular in news stickers, news bands, or any other visual element is the sole responsibility of the media channel carrying the story, whether in part or whole.
एजेंडा पत्रकारिता को बेनकाब करने के अपनी मुहिम के चलते वरिष्ठ पत्रकार पुष्प शर्मा जा पहुंचे लोकमत अखबार के पुणे कार्यालय में। यहां इनकी मुलाकात एडवर्टीजमेंट मैनेजर नीलेश पन्हालकर से हुई। नीलेश को भी पुष्प अपने एजेंडे के बारे में बताते हैं।
We are a sort of surrogate entity, Srimad Bhagavad Gita Prachar Samiti. Basically, we are targeting 2019 kind of elections of Modi ji. But because of our Hindutva kind of ideology, we are having a strategy to enter in market, taking it to next level, and then taking it to aggressive campaign. Okay. So in 3 phases, we are having our campaign strategy. Number 1, we are calling it as a test and trial kind of phase for first 3 months, starting commencing anytime, presumably from the first week of February, and then ending 31st March. Okay. And then second phase. First phase purely is religious. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna, shloks from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, so that the scenario is galvanizing in a religious atmosphere, and then we can capitalize on those sentiments later on in second phase. Then we will slightly be semi-political. Once we are semi-political up to July last or August. Okay.
पत्रकार पुष्प शर्मा की पूरी बात ध्यान से सुनने के बाद नीलेश ने जो कहा उसे सुनकर आप स्वयं समझ जाएंगे कि लोकमत अखबार कितनी निष्पक्षता से खबरें छापता होगा।
Personally thinking, I really support Modi sir.
Thank you. So nice.
Yes, sir. Yeah. I vote teachings which are happening currently on the basis of religion, which I seriously like the Karnataka election coming up and all those nonsense going on, which I seriously don't like.
Yeah. From both sides it's happening.
I hate Congress.
So nice. So as initially the test and trial phase, we are having the tentative budget of 3 CR just for the Pune.
Okay.
Once the heat galvanizes and we are reaching to neighboring districts in Taluka.
नीलेश की बातों से उनकी मानसिकता जाहिर हो जाती है। बातचीत को आगे बढ़ाते हुए पुष्प अपने अगले मुद्दे पर आते हैं, जो विपक्षी पार्टियों के नेताओं की छवि को धूमिल करना होता है।
we are thrashing to our political rivals basically.
Yeah.
Be it Congress, Samajwadi Party or बहुjan Samaj Party, Bhenji and all. We are having 3 requirements. Number 1, for first phase, test and trial, 3 months, 3 things, 3 CR initial budget only for Pune. Hindutva, soft Hindutva. When I say Hindutva, it is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna and shloks from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So that we can create some atmosphere of purity, love and affection, celebration.
Okay.
Bhagwan.
This will be like probably full page or something like that? In print page also?
Exactly. And there should not be any clash with any Baba like Shri Shri ji or Ramdev ji. अगर वो आ रहे हैं तो हमको ड्रॉप कर दीजिए. So that there should not be any clash between the two. And second thing is about the digital kind of promotion. Whenever digital vertical, whenever we are having some firebrand Hindu leaders like Shri Mohan Bhagwat ji bhai sahab या उमा दीदी, विनय कटियार जी भाई साहब या some संगठन के सीनियर प्रचारक, if they are coming having this प्रवास of this area, तो जब भी वो आते हैं तो जनता के बीच में या उनके सेमिनार में उनके वीडियोस अपलोड हो जाएं डिजिटल के ऊपर, so that we are seen by public at large. Thrashing to my political rivals like Congress, Samajwadi Party, बहुjan Samaj Party, Janata Dal, local regional parties, those whosoever are, FM के ऊपर तो हम लोग चला रहे हैं, and we are not insulting them, we are creating satire.
Exactly.
And we are trying to get political dividends out of this entire exercise. People are making fun, and we are hammering again and again whatever they have done in past.
Exactly. The wrong thing.
नीलेश के सामने पुष्प ने अपनी सभी बातें रख दी। नीलेश को किसी भी बात से कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी, फिर चाहे डिजिटल प्रमोशन हो या फिर विपक्षी पार्टियों के नेताओं की छवि को खराब करने की। नीलेश हर चीज के लिए राजी थे। यही नहीं, नीलेश तो पुष्प को उनके काम के बंदों से मिलवाने का भी जिक्र कर रहे थे। इसके अलावा वो पुष्प की इस बात से भी सहमत दिखे कि विपक्षी पार्टियों को अपने प्रचार के लिए कोई जगह न मिले।
I will give you the right person's name for you and like from Pune as well as Mumbai, wherein everything will be
coordinated, single window.
Yeah, as a single point of view.
Yeah,
You
single
need not
window.
talk to anybody else other than that.
ठीक है. And we are handling 742 CR only for assembly elections of Karnataka. That's not a BJP budget, it's a संगठन budget.
संगठन budget.
ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर we are having some X number, and be sure once our test and trial phase goes well, we are going to be very aggressive. I'm sure we are going to block the inventories of most of the top 10 companies, so that we are only heard.
Okay.
Rivals should not get any space to run their campaign.
Yes.
We are only heard, and it means we are visible, we are winning. जो दिखता है वही बिकता है.
Exactly.
आगे की बातचीत में नीलेश पुष्प को सलाह देते हैं कि उन्हें कब से कैंपेनिंग शुरू कर देनी चाहिए, जिससे कि उन्हें ज्यादा से ज्यादा फायदा हो।
We can do one thing also during Ganpati Ganesh festival.
Yes.
We can run a series of this thing, wherein you can have posters going
Inside.
inside, or
Yeah.
a jacket maybe a
Right.
poster kind of a
ठीक
thing.
है, we can strategize something.
Wherein 9 things going or 10 things going.
ठीक है.
That is one possibility.
Sure.
In that case, Navratri can also be helpful to
Wonderful
showing
place.
that,
Yes.
showing that we are.
Even Sawan time, Shiv Ji ka
Exactly.
in North India, that is bum bum bol kind of things. So we have,
Here too there are so many festivals in Shravan.
yeah. So we want to capitalize August onward. There will be massive campaign. Diwali, ये वो बहुत कुछ करेगा. So we will capitalize on those things. We will create that atmosphere. We'll make it hype, and then pure sentiment will divert into a political furia. So that's our strategy is that Hindutva gets bubbled.
Yes.
उस लेवल पे जाए कि लोगों को उसके अलावा कुछ दिखाई न दे.
Exactly.
Inventory full, completely shake hands. You are telling everybody, boss, हो गया. Inventories are full. We cannot take. Not digital, not print. Same way in FMs.
Exactly.
So we want to kill with our deep pockets.
And we have to contribute now. It's high time.
बातचीत खत्म करते हुए पत्रकार पुष्प शर्मा नीलेश से गोपनीयता की बात करते हैं, जिस पर नीलेश का कहना है कि गोपनीयता ही इस काम का मूलभूत सिद्धांत है।
as openly I could pitch my things to you in a transparent manner, will it work in the same way with all agencies?
See, if at all they are agencies, they have to maintain that kind of
Clientele kind of relationship.
Yeah, exactly.
Because they are getting paid for this.
Yes, and they have to maintain that secrecy and privacy for all those things. It's a no basic norm of
Any business.
Any business.
Right. They have to be ethical.
Those ethics they should carry.
Yeah.
So that kind of thing they will have to maintain.
नीलेश से मुलाकात के बाद पत्रकार पुष्प शर्मा को ये यकीन हो गया था कि लोकमत के जरिए भी एजेंडा पत्रकारिता की जा सकती है। आपको मालूम होगा कि लोकमत न्यूज 18 ग्रुप में आता है और करीब 100 साल पुराना मराठी अखबार है और देश के बड़े अखबारों में भी इसका नाम शुमार किया जाता है।
आपल्या हक्काचं एक नंबर लोकमत।